Hi, I'm Esty Kaplan, independent scholar and freelance academic copy editor based in Santa Barbara, California.
And I'm Sarah Wilma Watson, a visiting assistant professor of English at Haverford College in just outside of Philadelphia in Pennsylvania.
And we are the creators of Books of Duchesses, a born digital humanities project mapping women and their books in the Middle Ages.
And this is part of a series of videos on how to contribute to Books of Duchesses as a guest editor. We hope you enjoy it.
So once you're in the back end of the website, there are a lot of things you can do. And today we're going to talk about the easiest things that you can add to before you begin putting in the more complicated entries. So the first thing we're going to look at are bibliographies. So as you can see from this list, the way that they are organized currently is author date, simply for ease of retrieval within the book model. So if you want to add a new one, you can click on Add Bibliography, and you'll see that it reminds you how to put it in. So we'll say Kaplan 2020, or rather we'll say Kaplan and Watson 2020. And then you need to put in the full source, preferably in Chicago style, although occasionally we will be going in and cleaning these up. So if you're not perfect on your formatting, don't worry about it. So Kaplan, SC, and Sarah Wilma Watson, Books of Duchesses, mapping women book owners in Francophone Europe, 1350 to 1550, initial findings, Journal of the Early Book Society, 23, 27 to, I think, 54. And then we save. And there we go. We've added a bibliography. So when you are in the book model and you want to cite this particular source, you can start typing either Kaplan, Watson, or 2020, and it should pull up. Another very easy add is tags. Now, tags are used as descriptors of kind of what's going on in the text or what kind of text it is. So you see allegory, you see animal, apocalypse. Tags are very easy to add either here or within the book, within the text model itself. All it requires is the subject. So something like festivals. And then we save. And now we scroll down and we can see that we have added festivals to the list of tags. A third easy add is languages. Currently, we don't have a particularly extensive list, but we can see here that we have 2 Castilian. So I'm going to have to go in and figure out which one is the correct spelling and which work is associated with the incorrect spelling before I delete. But if we wanted to add a language, for instance, say maybe German, low, save, and now we have another language available to us to choose for the text model. The last easy addition is ever so slightly more complicated. This is locations. And we do have a decent number of cities. So if we click on Vincennes, for instance, we see that it does have a street address up here, but that's not necessary, right? So if we go back and we want to add a new location, say we want to add, well, let's go back and check and make sure that Nantes is not already on the list. The Château de Nantes is on the list. So let's instead check for Marseille. Marseille is not on the list. So we want to add Marseille. we simply type Marseille in here. We don't need a street address. We just need the city. Once the city has populated the map view, do not click anywhere on there because it needs to be the same location as automatically populated for anyone who wants to use this city. Then we type in the name again, Marseille, the name of the city. And the reason that these are two different fields is because perhaps you want a castle in Marseille. We don't right now, so it's not these two are identical, but that is why there are two different fields here. So name, city, and then the country it is in today, which is France. We save, and now we have the new location of Marseille. So these are the 4 easiest entries that you can make as you are inputting information into Books of Duchesses. We hope you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to email us at booksofduchesses@gmail.com. Please make sure to check out the next video in this series and have a great day.